हेलो पीपल, हाउ आर यू ऑल? कैसा चल रहा है सब कुछ? आज मैं और मेरे पति देव, अरे व्हाट आर यू बिजी विद?
Hey, actually, today I am planning to give the template for all the four S's.
ऑल द फोरेसेस?
Yeah, actually, we have received the comment in our earlier videos that our screen clarity was not good. So we have recorded all of them and just we have given just less amount of time so that we can compress all of them in single video, and that is what we are going to give you in this video,
Yeah, hopefully it will be useful for you, all of you guys.
as well
And
as clear first
yeah,
of all.
most important and clear. And we are really sorry. We are really trying to figure out things, applications, because
It's new for us.
Yeah, YouTube is
and we
really
are
new.
trying our best actually, and this has taken a lot of amount for us to prepare this video. So please share and subscribe to your friends and family if you like them, and try all these questions, because I think these templates are very easy and they will really help you.
Yeah, and please like and share, subscribe our channel, because we are doing a lot of work. And today we are speaking in English
Because some of the people have also commented
yeah,
that it's not
it's a language barrier. People do not understand Hindi. We thoroughly understand that.
and also it's an English exam.
Yeah.
So that's why we will be speaking in English and it will be helpful to all of us.
Right. So please watch the templates now.
So, guys, this is our first essay which we are going to discuss. So, this is discussion opinion based essay. So, the question can be something like this: discuss both views and give your opinion, or it can be do the advantage outweigh the disadvantages.
Yeah, so they'll give a statement and they'll tell we have to discuss both the views and we have to give our own opinion.
So, here how it will be like actually, you will have the question and then you have to give two paragraphs, one paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. So you have to give your views in both the paragraphs, but which one you are supporting
Give it on the paragraph 2.
to. So we will talk this while we look at the sample. So we have this example. Some people believe that companies should manufacture products that last for a long time. Other feels that the emphasis should be placed on producing goods that are cheap. Discuss both views and give your opinion.
Yeah, so we have to discuss here both the things and we have to give
Give
our
your
own
opinion.
opinion.
So the question here is company should manufacture product that last for a long time. So this is you have to talk in your first paragraph, and the second one we have to talk about producing goods that are cheap.
Yeah, but you have to make sure if you're supporting products that last for a long time, then you have to write that in paragraph 2.
Two. So whichever you are supporting, that should be in paragraph 2.
2. Yeah.
The reason for that is because in this way the reader, while you are getting to the conclusion, he or she will have in mind that okay, so this person discussed about this thing and he has given his opinion, and in the conclusion it will be easy for him to get all the things.
So it will be a linking statement kind of thing.
Yeah, that will be the best benefit of that. So we talk about the template now. So intro is nowadays or recently there is no doubt that.
You can just start your
So this is our general statement. So general statement means this statement you don't have to give compulsory.
it's not mandatory. If it's really you get something related to the topic, then
Then
write
you
it
have to-
down. But make sure nothing related to the question what is written there.
So it should not be like it should not be supporting any of the part
Yeah,
which you are going
yeah,
to talk
true.
about.
Yeah.
It should not be supporting this part or neither this one. We can have something general.
Right.
But if you don't have anything of that sort, so please
Don't write it.
Don't write it.
Because
Okay?
it could be a risky matter as well.
Yeah, correct. So then after that, while there are many benefits to dash, there are also some drawbacks to consider.
Yeah.
In this essay, I will discuss both sides of the argument and explain my support for the latter or former view.
Whichever is your view.
Whichever is your view.
Yeah.
So this thing is very important here. Like we would like to say this thing especially. So in discussion opinion, you have to give your opinion. Don't forget to give your opinion, because if you don't give, then you are going to lose marks.
Yeah, because see, the question here only shows give your opinion. So it's very important that you give it. Otherwise, getting a 7 would be a tough.
Tough. You need to read the question properly and then you need to write down the answer properly.
Right.
Okay. So we are taking the paragraph 1 then. On the one hand, or firstly, to embark on to begin with one evident benefit.
Anything, that's your choice.
Anything you can choose out of all this.
But make sure this paragraph should contain the statement which you don't
Don't support.
Yeah.
Okay. Dash. This is because the reason for this is this
It
happens
happens
because dash.
Yeah.
For example, to illustrate, for instance, dash. In contrast, additionally, furthermore, moreover, in addition to this, as a result. So, just I want to give one little more focus. So, like in contrast, also and additionally. So, in contrast means like something you have written over here, but you want to give a contrast to this,
Opposite statement.
opposite to of that. So, you can write down for that purpose. You can use in contrast. So, if you want to add something to it, you can use any of those things.
Yeah.
So, now come the paragraph 2. This is the paragraph which you are supporting.
Yeah.
Okay. So here it will be on the other hand, however, dash my view is that. This is very important part because in this paragraph you have to give what is your view or what is your opinion.
Yeah. So here my view is that whatever.
Whatever is there.
Yeah.
Then this is because the reason for this is this happens because dash dash dash. For example, to illustrate for instance, this
Make sure that if you're writing on your top, this is because, down you write the reason for this is, or write this happens because.
yeah.
Don't repeat the words because it will show your vocabulary, how great is your vocabulary, and how confident you are with English.
And these all the words make sense here. It doesn't. It's not that, and these are also not difficult as well. These are very easy words, vocabulary, and also it makes sense here.
Right. I think we did a mistake here. See, on the other hand, however, just continue writing my view is that, right?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. So remove this and then just how do I differentiate this? Like this.
My view is that. Correct. Yeah, this is perfect now.
Yeah.
My view is that. Now here you have to give two illustrations. For instance, whatever you want to give example, and also if you have used for example over here, you can use to illustrate or for instance.
Make sure do not repeat it. These are very simple words, so you can just remember these and you can.
Actually, you will be knowing them, but the thing is that we don't use them regularly, so it slips out of our mind. So here it will be in contrast, additionally, furthermore, moreover, in addition to this, whatever. As a result, you can complete this one.
Your choice.
Your choice. Now comes the conclusion. To conclude, in conclusion, to sum up, although dash
As
dash, I strongly believe dash
because dash.
So here it will be like it will be talking about our paragraph 1 here in both the places, and then here it will be our paragraph 2.
Yeah, yeah.
And look at this part. I strongly believe that this is the most important part, I would say here, because if you don't do this one, then the reader will not come to know whether what is your opinion here.
So see the question you have done. Give your opinion. So in your introduction, in the paragraph 2, and in the conclusion, you have put your point. You have given your opinion in all 3 paragraphs except the paragraph 1.
So this is the thing here.
This is discussion opinion. Now let's move to the next type of essay.
So ये हमारा, so friend, this is our second essay, opinion based. So the question can be, to what extent do you agree or disagree? Is it a positive or a negative development? So here we have a sample example. In the future, it seems more difficult to live on Earth. Some people think more money should be spent on researching another planet to live, such as Mars. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? So first thing first, you need to first clearly read the question. So what is being asked in the question, because this is the most important thing. So we are in hurry. Generally, we have only 1 hour limited time to us, and we
have to write letter as well and the essay.
So we don't read the question properly. We just started writing down the answer. So there we exactly lose the marks without anything.
So here they are very directly asking your opinion. Do you agree or do you disagree
with this statement?
So your paragraph 1 and paragraph 2 should contain similar things. Means if you agree, both your paragraphs should be agree. If you disagree, both your paragraphs should be disagree.
And the point should be like for paragraph 1 and paragraph 2 should be simple. It should not be so much complicated that you are not able to explain to the examiner.
Right.
So it can be like for this one we can say it's very hard to send people to the earth because the number of population is too high.
Mask, yeah.
or the second one, or we can say we can invest so much of money on earth only, and we can make a good development here instead of
Yeah, to
sending
improve,
people
we can improve our earth itself.
itself only. So these are two simple points like we just thought. So you have to give just only simple points which is easy for the reader or examiner to understand, and also easy for you to write down.
Yeah.
So let's talk about the template now. So it will be like nowadays recently, this is not
Compulsory statement.
compulsory statement, this is any general statement. Again we are saying,
If you remember anything related to Earth or anything related to planet, Mars, anything
but not to be, it should not be
specific to this.
specific, or it should not be agreeing with one of the point,
Agreeing or disagreeing with it.
disagreeing with any of the point. So now paraphrase the question on words. So
Yeah.
this question is there. You have to paraphrase this one
Yeah, and till mask actually.
till March. Yeah,
Yeah,
correct.
but you can do paraphrasing in different ways.
So that we have explained in our letter.
Yeah,
So which you can find in the above link, which you can see here.
yeah.
Okay. So now, and also we will paste the link in the below.
Okay, yeah.
So now after that, in this essay, I completely agree or disagree with this statement, and this essay I will support my view with examples.
Right.
Okay, so this is very easy. So now comes the paragraph 1. On the one hand, firstly, to embark on, to begin with. So whatever you want here, you can write down that this is because, the reason for this is, this happens because,
Dash.
dash.
Whatever.
For example, to illustrate, for instance, you can write down here. And also if you want to add another point, it can be in contrast as well, it can be additionally as well. So if you are adding other point for the similar lines, you can give additionally, furthermore, moreover, in addition to this, as a result.
Yeah.
Okay, so now comes to the second paragraph. The second paragraph also have to be, if you are agreeing in the first one, the second one also have to be in agree. If you are disagreeing, then second one also have to be disagree. So this one we can start like secondly, additionally, furthermore, your point here. This is because, the reason for this is, this happens because. Also you can give like, if you have used this is because here you can use the reason for this is.
This is for all the 4 type of essays. Make sure that you don't repeat the words.
Try to use like different things here. It's very simple words like the reason for this is because.
Yeah.
And then give your point here. For example, to illustrate, for instance. Then whatever you have here. In contrast, additionally, furthermore, moreover, in addition to this, as a result. So if you want to add a extra point over here. So like if you have written the above 2 points till here in 2 lines, so it will be helpful if you can add the third point. Means like you can add the third line, you can give a contrast of that in additionally. So like generally what happens, sometimes we don't have points to add extra point to the same thing whatever we have said above. So in contrast is also a good thing which we can use here.
Or you can just put as a result and just give a conclusion to the statement which you have given.
Yeah, that is also a good idea.
Yeah.
So in conclusion, it will be to conclude, in conclusion, to sum up, due to which,
Dash and
dash is paragraph 1 and dash is paragraph 2, I strongly believe, I believe on. So here the important thing again we would like to say is you have to give I strongly believe or I believe on, and then you have to give your point here.
yeah.
Okay, so guys, so we will move over to our third type of question here.
Yeah.
So these are discussion based essays. So the question here can be discuss the benefits and drawbacks, discuss advantages and disadvantages. So take a sample question here. It is becoming increasingly popular to have a year off between finishing school and going to university. What are the advantages and disadvantages of it? Okay, so in this one we have to discuss both sides. So we have to discuss what are the advantages of this behavior and what are the
So
disadvantages.
it's a very direct question.
Yeah.
Yeah. They have just given you a statement. You have to write the advantages and disadvantages or benefits or drawbacks. Yeah.
So first one you have to use like advantage, anything you can use, and the other one you have to be opposite.
Yeah.
So now we will talk about the template. So template starts like, so this is the same thing which we told earlier. it's a general statement, not need to be mandatory.
Right.
So here it will go. While there are many benefits to dash,
Dash.
there are also some drawbacks to consider.
Yeah.
So here, if you are talking about finishing school, it is becoming popular to have a year of finishing school. So if you are telling there are benefits to finishing school and going to university, there are also some drawbacks to consider. In this essay, I will discuss both sides of the argument.
Yeah.
So now comes our paragraph 1. On the one hand, firstly, to embark on to begin with one evident benefit.
Yeah. We forgot to add the comma after this, but remember that after these words, you need to add a comma. Right.
And then you have to give your point here.
Yeah.
So this is because the reason for this is this happens because
Your choice. Whatever you want to add, put it here. Yeah.
put it here. For example, to illustrate, for instance, you have to give example. In contrast, so now you can use here this thing also. In contrast, additionally, furthermore, moreover, in addition to this as a result. So you can add the other line here if you want to do it.
Yeah.
So now comes to the second
Yeah. So
paragraph.
above, if you have written your advantages, now you have to mention the
Disadvantage
disadvantages.
here. So disadvantage can be on the one or above you have a disadvantage, then you have to give advantage here.
Yeah. So right here on
On
the
the other
other
hand,
hand.
which means it's the opposite of the above one. So
Yes.
see, this thing were like on the other hand is so simple, but it's like a connecting word
Yeah.
between these two
And
paragraphs.
that's very, very, very important in IELTS.
So however, and then your point here, this is because the reason for this is this happens because whatever you want to write down here. For example, to illustrate here, in contrast, additionally, furthermore, to add an extra line over here.
Yeah.
So now come to the conclusion. To conclude, in conclusion, to sum up, all the dashes, this can dash. So here your point 1, here your point 2. Easy, I think it will be very helpful.
This is very easy essay, very simple and direct kind of an essay.
Yeah. So now comes to the more simple and direct kind of essay. This is situation based essay.
Right.
Where they have already asked you 2 points and you just have to write down in paragraph 1 and paragraph 2.
Right.
So the question can be, what are the problems? What solution you suggest? What factor contributes to this? Is it realistic or expected? These factors.
Hmm.
So we have the question here. Some cities create extra housing by building tall buildings. Other cities do this by building on wide areas of land. Which do you think is the best solution to the problem of housing? Okay. So here what we have to do. So
Yeah.
here
Yeah.
the situation is
Yeah. First, here you have to write the problem in paragraph 1, and in the paragraph 2, you have to write the solution to the problem.
problem. Yeah, correct. So we'll talk about the template here. In recent year, nowadays, there is no doubt that in this essay, I will discuss what are the problems, issues associated with dash and provide solution with example.
Right.
So it's very simple. You just have to give what is the problem here and what is the solution here.
Yeah.
Okay, so to begin with, or firstly, whatever is the problem,
Remember, comma you have to put after these words. We wouldn't have mentioned it, but in every type of essays, you have to put a comma after these words.
so this is because this happens because dash, for example, for instance, furthermore, additionally, or secondly. So in these kind of essays, you can actually give 2 or 3 types of problems.
Yeah.
So which
Make sure you can write 3, if it's possible, write at least minimum 2 problems and maximum 3 problems. And solutions, at least write 2 solutions.
2
for it.
solutions.
Yeah.
Like if you are writing 2 problems here, you can give 2 solutions.
Yeah.
And just think that those things are a little bit connected with each other.
Yeah.
So that it's easy to explain in simple words instead of roaming around and then giving your answer. So now we come to the solution part. The above mentioned problems can be resolved or rectified by
Dash.
dash. This is because this happens because, for example, for instance, furthermore, by doing this another method. So here we are saying another method,
Solution.
another solution you can give here, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Okay. So now come to the conclusion. In conclusion, although dash and dash problem, this can be resolved by using this.
Dash and dash. If you're writing 2 solutions by using
This and
dash.
dash.
Yeah.
So I think this we have given this So these will be very useful. So you try to follow all those things.
Hope you liked our video.
And please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please be safe
And
and
take care and take vaccine.
bye
Bye bye.